If you're encountering an integration error on Workato, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check connection status. Verify that all connections to the applications involved in the integration are active. Go to the Connections section in Workato and ensure there are no errors or disconnections. Step 2. Review error logs. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Validate data mapping. Examine the data mapping within your recipe to ensure that all fields are correctly aligned. Incorrect or missing mappings can lead to integration errors, so double check that all required fields are filled out properly. Step 4. Test individual steps. Run each step of the recipe individually to identify where the error is occurring. This can help isolate the problem and allow you to make targeted adjustments. Step 5. Consult Workato support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Workato support for assistance. Provide them with the details of the error and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the integration error and get your Workato integrations running smoothly again.